When replacing synthetic colors with naturals, it is important to consider not only the shade match and formulation, but also packaging and the stability of the natural color to external stresses like light. In this demo, we'll look at several natural alternatives to tartrazine or yellow 5 and how clear packaging and light exposure can impact the color performance. We start by creating a simple beverage with natural colors that are often used to replace tartrazine thanks to their close color matches. They are turmeric, safflower, and beta-carotene. We then measure the initial color shades on the colorimeter. You can see they all appear to be close in shade. Once we have our initial measurements, we place the samples in the light box where they are exposed to the equivalent to 6 months in supermarket lighting. Once the light exposure is completed, the samples are removed from the light box and taken back to the colorimeter where they are remeasured to see how much color has been retained. You can see some of the colors performed much better when exposed to light than others. In this example, the safflower and beta-carotene performed well, suffering little color loss, while the turmeric faded completely, appearing almost clear. While it has excellent stability to heat, it drastically loses color when exposed to light. To offset this, you could opt for opaque packaging or full bottle labels to protect it from the light. If that's not possible, safflower or beta-carotene would provide more stable options in clear packaging. So for best results when working to replace synthetic colors with naturals, be sure to take elements like light exposure and packaging into consideration.